Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Emtee is now officially signed under Empire, and we have a crazy performance by him in the ranks. Without as much of a time, let's get straight into it. Empire came out on Instagram with a thread of pictures, and Emtee was on the 7th slide, and their caption was, "Swipe right and pick your favorite slide. That's your mode for the week." And everyone who was posted on that thread is signed under Empire, and Emtee even came out on Twitter to say, Emtee Records, Scope and Empire, meaning to say Emtee is officially signed under Empire. A huge congratulations to Emtee. Then going to Perfomance, here's a killer performance by Emtee.
Get to Emtee, man. Okay. When we see Emtee, then I need to the hustler, right? Emtee. Money on me. I let my mama order.